Yeah, no worries, mate.
Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all doing well. It's Jeff here, from the 30-Minute Trader, and currently I've got a good friend of mine and fellow trader, Demo, on with me. Welcome and good afternoon, I believe it is for you, Demo. Is that correct?
Yes, mate. It is.
Yeah, I believe
Yeah.
I'm in Phuket, Thailand, and Demo is in Devon in England. I'm just going to go over the trades that were available with a volume burst with a 30-minute trading software today. It's been another successful day, and I want you to count the percentage growth rather than me say it. I'm going to focus only on one day rather than going back a week, which I have done. So I'm just going to share my screen right now. So that's it here, ladies and gentlemen. Demo, can I just check? Can you see my screen?
I can, mate. I can.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, I can
Right.
on my
What
phone.
I'm going to do for this, I'm going to go back to midnight today. And I've got my chart set to New York time. So that's, I'll actually do it there, midnight there. I think I'll make sure I could do this correct. 13th, this is the 4th, it's actually the 14th one, isn't it? 14th. I'm not sure what, yeah, that's it right there. That's today. So I'll put that in there. Today, midnight. So we'll get a whole day from midnight. And this is based on New York time, Eastern Standard Time. The bottom of my chart, as you can see, it says -4 New York. I'm highlighting it now. So the software, what it does, it's really absolutely incredible. It tries to look at the market in such a way that there's a volume burst. Now, nothing's 100%. Yeah. Now, all I say to people is all we're looking for is half or even 1%. For me, 0.5% is enough. But I know some people have done, like yourself, an awful lot more. So all I'll do is I'll press the short here. The people that we're looking at this candle here for an entry. You see, it has been coming down. And I'm on the 1 minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. And you get it straight away. And what I do is I put my stop loss above this, you know, this yellow, orange, or blue, just above there. That's right, just above there. It doesn't have to be tight against it, as long as it's above there. Yeah. And I always say to people to look left here, and I'm looking for a target. Now, the people that know in the 30-day trader program, they can actually see things happen here. And there's a potential reversal zone around about here because of this here, and also what's not on the other side of this. Can you see that, Demo? I don't know if you can actually.
Yeah, I can just about, mate. Yeah.
There's nothing there, and we've got this, our stabilizer. And you see that's exactly where that finishes now. If I was looking upon that, you see there it's 1.64%. So that's 2 candles, or almost 2 candles. But if I could get, you could say 1% or even a 0.5%, I'd be a happy man. Because on a larger size of account or a prop firm, that would go very well. So that's one trade, 1 win, and that is today. Now, the second way to use this is when it turns around, you can actually then get it going the other way. Now, I'm not going to claim any of that, but you can quite easily see the damage in a positive way that can do for your account. So I'm going to go to the next trade and I do nothing until I see this yellow thing. And that's telling you it's a down. So go to the short. There's a lot more analysis, but I'm going to take it straight from there. Yeah. I look left, I look for a high up here for a stop loss just there. I could go there, but why not go there? Yep. So what I then do, I look left, I look for a target, I see there's nothing there on the other side of that, and I see this big block. These, we call them stabilizers. So I say, well, it can go to these stabilizers, and that's exactly what it does and turns around, which would be 3.58%. So if you can get 3.58%, you could quite easily get 1%. There's 2% in one candle, half a candle. You can very easily see you get your target. 2 trades, 2 wins, nice healthy growth. And there we have another one right there. Yep. Now, remind me, so we get that right there. We go above the high. Well, we're looking for anything else here. We're looking for anything else here. Perhaps there's a little thing in there. Maybe if I wanted to pick it a little bit higher and just up to there, I can. I'm looking left. So I see there's something ending here. So for me, it'd have to be at least 1% to take that. Yes, and it's 2%. So I'd be happy taking that trade. And you can see the legitimate. If it can do 2%, it can do 1.5. And what we get is another. We get another 4.83%. Thank you very much. And it was up and down. We're just looking for high probability trade ideas with these volume bursts. There are other ones. We do in a 30-minute trader program, and here we have another one here, and you see how nice that is. Do the exact same setup. The reason why we call it a 30-minute trader is you're in and out in 30 minutes. We're on the 1 minute time frame. You can be in and out in 1 minute. You can be in and out. So I put my stop loss just above there. I look left and I say, is there a target? Yes, there is. So can it reach that? If it goes there, I'd be a happy man to go out at the bottom there, which is 5%. But ladies and gentlemen, you see, if I, I'm not going to claim all that, but you can see at the very bottom, it goes 11%. Thank you very much. And that's where we are right now. So it's not bad demo. Day after day, these things occur.
No.
Yeah, that was 11, 4.83, 3 point. The stop losses could be higher or lower. I just, so that was maybe only 4 or 5, but there was another one there, and I mean, marked that up. That's about my 1% win. So maybe it's about 20% in one day. There are some losses, didn't show today, but there are losses. But consistent on a daily basis, we get these positive wins. I know you've been using this successfully, and it's I'm glad to share this with you. And
yeah.
Do you want to say anything? I know there's a lot more.
No, it's really good, mate.
Yeah, I'm pleased with the results.
It's a good little tool for beginners. Yeah.
Absolutely. I know we do a lot more. But yeah, absolutely. Well, what I'll do is I'll catch you later, Damo. Thanks for jumping on with me.
Yeah, mate. Give me a shout later, mate. All right.
Okay.
All right,
bye
mate.
for now.
Speak to you later, mate. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.